Welcome in, welcome in. Have I got an unexpected treat for you guys? These are the Wingtree KM16, formerly known as Purple Good Linears. I put them in, and right away I was like, wait a second. These are good. Why? Let's skip the ramble today and go straight to the sound test. We will chat afterwards. Alright, welcome back. We skipped the ramble because I thought these sounded extra good, so I wanted to get you guys hearing it right away first. Did you guys hear that? When I first started typing on this, I was like, these are Wingtrees? Why do they sound so good? And then I went to the Discord, my local Discord, and I was like, yo, I'm testing out these Wingtrees. They remind me of V2Us. They're kind of like V2Us. So then I did some research. I pulled up the webpage, and then I was like, okay, let's take a look at these. KM16 linear switch, factory lubed. KM16 linear switch is the first ever Wingtree switch that uses an LY blend for its stem. It creates a slightly louder but concentrated and solid bottom out when compared to UPE stems. Also, thanks to the PC top housing and the great factory lube job, KM16 is super smooth right out of the box. They're just ready to be popped into a keyboard. Now that doesn't tell the whole story. Let's take a look at the specs. Stem material, LY, top housing, PC, bottom housing, PA66. Operating force, 40. Bottom out force, 45. Pre-travel 2. Total travel, 3.3. So I did a little more research. I was like, let me take a look at what other switches use LY, PC, PA66. And what do you know? The goddamn Sunset Gleams is this makeup. HMX Sunset Gleams is LY, PC, PA66 modified nylon. Now I was like, that's what it is. These switches sound like ducks. These are the Wingtree ducks. So, that's all that needs to be said. Listen to the sound test. It is so good. It's a goddamn Wingtree duck. These are a buy. I really like these, and no wonder. It's literally the same materials as my favorite switch of all time before cilantros came. Sunset Gleams. These are the Wingtree version. Solid. Buy it. Unikeys. Shylocutus. 7% off. Just hit it.